Here's how I go from losing $700 to start my day to eventually crawling back with some nice profits. Watch this video all the way through because I show you my step-by-step process to recovering from losing trades. If you're new to the channel, we post trading content like this multiple times every single week. You may see plenty of winning trading videos, but that's not how we roll. We will post our winners and our losers, so not only us, but also you can become a better trader. Without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so I'm looking at crude again on the continuous crude oil contract, 1 second TradingView data feeding into a 0.07 box Renko using the higher time frame and broader bands settings on the QWave. Here are the exact settings I'm rolling with. I don't actually have the alert showing just because I'm playing this band and ribbon strategy that I've been showcasing in the previous videos. What I'm looking for today, we had a pretty strong sell-off late into the day. Again, sell-off really all of yesterday. Seemed to have bottomed out a little bit here at this previous support level. Came down, scooped a little bit of liquidity, and then now we've just really been holding here. I'll look to play the downside if we get another bounce off of this midline here on QWave. That's really what the strategy is. It's playing the bounces off this ribbon and these bands. Yeah, yesterday we had taken this area here, this little M pattern, and then we got short right here at the rejection of this ribbon, and then we played this downside for a nice little 2-to-1. So today I'll really just be looking at the same thing. If we get a rejection off of this ribbon here and this midline, might look to play the downside here. Depending on what I see here on the charts, if we break above and then hold above this midline and ribbon, might look to get a move to the upside. So very simple, straightforward scalping strategy. I think I'll look to go short here. We just got another test up. We just tried to get another little push up, but we're starting to get some rejection here. So constant downtrend since that pump up, what was it, early last week. I still just don't like, little hesitant to anything to the upside just because it's just been a brutal sell-off the last, week or so. So we were coming into a pretty significant support level here, but we'll see if the bulls can't push their way up to the upper part of this band. That's really what I would have been going for anyway. Might look to take a short here. I've got the SMC indicator on. This is just normal candlesticks. I've got pulled up on a 5-minute chart. And then I've also got a 4-hour chart with just some trend lines, one trend line, and then some support and resistance levels. So as you can see, we got this break below. Look to be a fake out. We'll see if the bulls can't hold above this level. So it's always nice to have not only our system here, but also to have normal candlesticks as well. Our indicators work on normal candlesticks absolutely fine. You can use them on any chart type for that matter, whether it's Heikin-Ashi or normal candlesticks or even bar charts. So might look to go short here, play this demand zone touch. And then if we can't break above this previous push, if we can't basically clean this little order block here, I'd like to go short and then stops above. About 40 minutes to market open. I'll hop in here.
Order filled.
Play this push down here. Really not liking much to the upside, but we'll see. Hopefully we don't get our face torn off here. Got my stops just above this recent push, this recent pivot here, up a little bit. And then first take profit here at a 1-to-1, where I will go ahead and move my stops to break even. And that way we could see if we get in a risk-free trade here. Buyers trying to step in here. Sellers, sorry. Big sell-off. Wow, we barely missed that take profit 1 to get us into a risk-free trade. See if we can't get another push down. Buyers really stepped in there. Yeah, there's the move in the other direction. Should have maybe looked to get out after this bullish candle here. Gonna get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Once I saw this big sell-off get basically instantly rejected, probably could have just exited as we make a push higher. I still do like a play to the downside. I think I may have just gotten in a bit early. I really wouldn't be surprised if we come right back down here. If we do get a play up here into the upper part of the bands, might look to go short again with some smaller size. Still like the move, just think I was a bit early. Starting to get some sellers step in here now. another rejection off of this little supply zone here. We'll see if this wasn't the right idea. I may have just gotten in a little bit early. Here's the sell-off we were looking for. If we get another break below this midline, I'll look to go short, reduce my size a little bit. Basically just playing this failed break above here, target these lows if I do go short. I was short here, but ended up getting chopped out. It looks like, we'll see if this move ends up playing out.
Order filled.
Got that break below this Q line.
Order filled.
Take profit, one hit. Wow. Stops to break even. Had to be quick on that one. Shooting for that 2-to-1 down here. Bid off 2 contracts on that. Stops to break even. See if we can't make back some of this ground we lost from this morning. Basically hopped in right when we broke below this Q wave ribbon here. And then just shooting for this 2-to-1. Move it down a little bit. Stops at break even. So in a risk-free trade here, trying to mitigate some of those losses from the earlier short. We were on the right. We had the right idea. I was basically playing this rejection here, this failed push higher, but we got that one final push, stopped me out, and then we did get the break. So I was just a little early, got in here, had to be quick on that one. So we'll see if we can't get a little 2-to-1 here to start the morning, make back some of the ground we lost on that opening trade. If we get stopped out here, I'll probably just be done for the day. Take the small loss and call it. Don't like to overtrade. I don't even want to get into that habit. Buyer stepped in big time here, so wouldn't be shocked if we push back up.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'll call it for the day. Small loss, just under 500 bucks. Still up on the week. Played this little trade recap. Saw this failed push right here. Figured we would continue. You know, I'm seeing a rejection a couple times here. We got that push up, but then we failed. You know, we failed this pivot point here. Figured we would make this move down below. Got in about right here, but ended up getting stopped out here. The move still was correct. I was just a little early. If we would have caught, you know, this move down, would have been profitable day, but ended up getting stopped out. Entered again right, where was it? Here at 39 for a small profit pickup. Only entered in 2, dialed back a little bit because I had that opening loss, so I scaled back. So really just playing this Q wave ribbon and band strategy that I've been showcasing in the previous videos. If you want access to this exact same toolkit, if you want access to our community, we have members in here posting every single day their results. This is by far my favorite channel in the entire community. You get access to all of our pro area chat. You're also going to get access to our pro training, over 10 plus hours of training content, all of our pre-built chart layouts here, which is awesome. Plug and play settings. That's all I got for you today. Link in the description. You can start your free 7-day trial. See you tomorrow.